Technical debt is considered written off only when it is eliminated at the source, including management, engineering, and process. Each source of technical debt has conditioning triggers associated with it that assist in anticipating and avoiding technical debt. Furthermore, these condition triggers themselves may interact in threads, resulting in propagation and cascading outcomes that are observed in frequency of release, quality assurance, and metrics, especially defect rates. Sources of technical debt in management involve neglect and requirements management, estimating, planning, measurement, monitoring and controlling, risk management, process management, team innovation management, supply chain management, team building, personnel management, and customer relationship management. The conditioning triggers for management are shown in the table. Sources of technical debt in engineering involve neglect and application domain understanding, requirements determination, system and software architecture, iterative multi-level design, staged incremental development, software development lifecycle, programming language, middleware, operating system, network interface, and software development environment. The conditioning triggers for engineering are shown in the table. Sources of technical debt in process involve insufficient evidence of explicit goals and readiness to perform, insufficient accountability based on work responsibility matrix, insufficient planning of design levels and staged increments, and insufficient planning, management, and control of software product releases. The conditioning triggers for process are shown in the table. Plan execution and the achievement of outcomes are a function of goals set and readiness to perform. Once a project begins, revising goals and improving readiness to perform may be necessary, but these corrective steps do not represent plan execution. Achievement of outcomes involves assessment of progress and the review and inspection of artifacts, and with it a certain level of expected corrective activity and rework. The dual-headed arrows in the notation shown suggest feedback and rework that accompany the interactive threads of conditioning triggers. Where rework exceeds expectation and planning, the interactive decisions made in the verification, validation, and rectification processes may become the principal source of technical debt. Managers committed to managing technical debt through avoidance are especially vigilant at these points in the project. Those committed to managing technical debt through anticipation are especially vigilant during goal setting and readiness to perform. These managers will utilize the technical debt conditioning trigger thresholds of green, yellow, and red for management, engineering, and process. If prioritized goals favor cost and schedule over quality, then particular attention should be spent on frequency of release, quality assurance, and metrics, especially defect rates. If software project management mode is low, software product engineering mode is ad hoc, iterative development is not used, and best practices are rated low, then particular attention should be spent on frequency of release, quality assurance, and metrics, especially defect rates. If schedule, cost, and milestone completion are less than planned, then particular attention should be spent on frequency of release, quality assurance, and metrics, especially defect rates. If deep domain expertise, software architecture, requirements understanding, technical risk and uncertainty, product size, and complexity vary from the plan, then particular attention should be spent on frequency of release, quality assurance, and metrics, especially defect rates. The propagation and cascading effect of engineering artifacts is best illustrated in the milestone completion schedule graph, showing the planned or replanned completion month for each major milestone. The y-axis indicates the plan date, and the x-axis indicates the calendar date. This chart provides a clear record of what did you know and when did you know it. More importantly, the graph reveals the degree of schedule stability and perhaps the source of instability, which may leave technical debt in its wake. Here is my contact information. I would be happy to receive questions and have discussions with people on this important subject.